Hello everyone. I wanted to introduce a whiteboard desktop application. I think it would be valuable for teachers who need to connect with students who may be struggling in their classes, but for some reason the time is not working out, so they need to help them from a distance. This tool could satisfy IST standards for teachers 1A and 2C. I think it promotes inventiveness in both the teacher and the student, and also is a customizable learning activity using digital tools. So I'm just going to show you quickly how I might use it to help my English language learners. So it's pretty simple. Once you go to the website, you can just create a class, and it can be used with students in real time, or it can be shown to them later, like a screencast. You can choose to have your webcam and audio running, or you can just keep it as a whiteboard. So one thing you can do is you can import PDFs. So here's a student of mine. We're working on process paragraphs. So some issues here that I could help her out with. One thing you can do is just you can draw. If you want, you can change the pen size if you need more detail. Another thing you can do is you can add some text, and that might be a more appropriate way to communicate if they cannot hear you. You can also be chatting with them in real time if there's any problems with the audio in that way. This whiteboard builds it like PowerPoint, starts creating pages, so you can add more pages, but the free version is only up to 3, so you might just delete some things if you're working in real time with a student and you want to keep it free. But here's another thing. So for example, if for my students I'm working with process paragraphs, I might import a YouTube video and have them watch a process, and then I could ask them to describe it in paragraph form. One way that I could do this is assign them a quiz. You have several options here: multiple choice, short answer, or you can use the entire board for them to write on, or you can select an area. Like if I only want them to write here, I could select that size. And I can also choose a time limit. For example, for their assessment, if they need to write something in 10 minutes or 20 minutes, I can set that time here by seconds. So something to think about. I can't send it right now because I don't have any students in the class, but that would pop up to them. And then they could complete the quiz and you could get some real-time feedback there. Final option that you can do is you could add a picture here, And again, the students could work with that and try to describe the process they see there. I think this is a valuable free tool that teachers could use to assist their students, and I hope that you check it out and find it as interesting as I do. Good luck.